And welcome into fashion, the right fit. Of course, no Virginia, still Jack, because Virginia had to go off, and we are taking care of making sure that fashion is covered with a wonderful young lady named Linda McWilliams. Victoria's in Prattville,
Right.
and you've been with us for quite some time.
I have,
and
several years now.
people tell me when they run into me how much they enjoy coming up to your
Well, good,
store.
good. It's a cute little store, and it's, it's very laid back. I don't put pressure on anyone to buy anything. You are welcome to come in and just browse and look and just enjoy the store. But it's a cute little store.
And next Sunday, the 24th,
Yes.
is going to be the big holiday open house.
Holiday open house, downtown
And it's
Prattville.
going to go from 1 to 5 through all of downtown
Right.
Prattville. So, get something to eat and drink and,
Right.
shop around.
Shop around.
And like you say, a $500 gift card.
Certificates, yes, gift
Yes.
certificates to all the different stores downtown worth $500. So it's going to be a nice little giveaway down there.
That'll be neat.
Yeah, it will be neat.
Well, now we're getting into looking at things that these would make wonderful Christmas gifts.
Yes, they would. Yes, they would.
But of course, just remember also there's the gift card.
Oh yes, I have gift cards.
that'll work
I
too.
do. I
Yes.
do. I love this. This came in just a couple of days ago. This is from a company called Ethel, designed by a woman and owned by a woman. I love her company. She's so good with her clothing. But this is a beautiful, beautiful color. This teal is just gorgeous.
That is pretty.
It is pretty, and I put it with a nice little necklace. And it's got some black in it, and I thought, well, we'll just pick up a pair of black pants and put under that. How pretty is that little
nice outfit.
Nice outfit.
Yep.
You wear this anywhere. So pretty together. And very casual, but still, you could dress it up if you want to. Put a jacket over it, make it look different. But I love this. I'll probably be wearing that. That's too pretty. It's too pretty.
Yeah, you're not going to let it go.
No, I'm not going to let it go. And
So you better get there and buy it before Linda's wearing it.
and this is another Ethel sweater.
And that's kind of like is that called a cable knit? Like?
Kind of cable knit.
Yeah.
You're exactly right. It's got a pretty sleeve. Hold that sleeve out so they can see how pretty the sleeve is. Got
That's fun.
a little bell sleeve, and I put a pretty bright necklace with it to give it some shine, but it looks good with the black pants. This is a great fall color. Absolutely beautiful color. Most everybody can wear this color.
Yes.
Yes. So pretty.
And this is even going up toward Christmas.
Yes.
It's a wonderful,
yes.
wonderful color.
Great color.
Yes.
And this is a multiples piece. This is very soft. It's lightweight, but it looks like it's going to be very warm, but it's very, very lightweight.
It seems like when you do the multiples, they really have a way of doing the design too, don't they? It's
They do.
You could almost have said, and I'm not into all this stuff, but you could have probably said that's multiples.
That's multiples, yeah. You can usually tell they're pieces. And it's got a little bit of an animal print going on, so it's right in style right now. It's got the pretty little cow neck. And I love the brown tones and the blacks in there, but put a pair of black pants. You can wear it with dark brown. Put your boots on, you're ready to go. I love this piece. So pretty.
That's great.
It is pretty. And now we have a sweater, just a little throw on. I love the colors in this, little stripes. And this is definitely a sweater. It's a sweater coat, as they call
Now,
it.
is that buttons in the front or?
I don't think,
no,
it doesn't have buttons. It has two little pockets.
Two little pockets,
Just throw it on and go.
But that's fine because most people, you want to see what's underneath there anyway.
Right.
And we don't really need to be buttoning up that much down in this area.
Right. But it's just a pretty piece. And this is another, I think this is this is Joe. I used to call her J-O-H, but she told me it's Joe.
Now,
I
is
said,
is this the sweatshirt again?
This is a sweatshirt
Now, is this the same
look.
person that did the one on our other show that had the little?
Yes.
Isn't that neat?
And it's so pretty, but look at the detail in the front.
Yeah.
It's the cute little flower appliques on the front that dresses it up. So much, more than a sweatshirt. And this is not, of course, a sweatshirt material. This is this is warm.
Yeah.
This might have a little bit of I don't know.
Nice and soft.
It's very soft. But I love that piece. It's going to be cute for the colder weather we have.
You got that right.
Yeah. And this is a throw over caftan. You just it goes over the head. You can dress it up with a little necklace around the neck, but
you could just wear that with nothing on the.
of
course.
would probably a camisole or something underneath. So but I love the colors. I love that tan color, and I put it with a pair of suede-looking pants.
Boy, those are soft.
Aren't those soft?
Yeah.
But they're nice-looking pants.
They got to be comfortable to wear.
They are very, very comfortable. They're almost like a legging. They're going to fit tighter around the ankle, but so cute. You can wear this a lot of different things. It's got great color. Great colors. And my last piece is going to be, of course, the animal print.
Yes.
They will definitely see you coming when you're wearing
moly.
this.
And that's nice.
This is very nice. It's very fuzzy. It's very warm, and I think seems like things are just so pretty. But this for cold weather, November, December, even into January.
Yeah,
this
that's
is going to be
right.
great. Just a throw-on piece and go. But I love the material, love the look. Going to be one of of course one of our bigger pieces.
You have a couple of different
Sizes.
sizes and a good
Yes.
supply, because
Yes.
we're talking about of course people shop with you all the time. You have to remember that you don't buy 900
No, I do
of one
not.
thing. You buy
They know.
just so much.
I know.
But by the time you get there for the open house, new stuff may have arrived
That's
also.
right. Exactly.
Right.
I've always got things coming in. So
Okay. And
always
it's
something different.
Next Sunday, the 24th, it's in downtown Prattville. It's, of course, Victoria's is the name of it, across from Uncle Mick's.
Uncle Mick's,
Uncle Mick's, if you like some Cajun food. So enjoy the whole day down
Yes.
there. And of course, make sure that you go to Victoria's, because they can take care of you no
Yes.
matter what your needs are. And we'll be right back right after this.